In this video, I'll talk about what to do in case your Philips Roku TV is not connecting to the Wi-Fi or to the internet. Well, I'll show you a few different tricks. The easiest of them is to simply go and disconnect the TV from the wall outlet, even if the TV is turned on. So over here, I'll go ahead and unplug it. While it's unplugged, okay, leave it like this. Under your Philips TV, there is a power on and off button. Mine is located right in the middle here. Okay, what you need to do is to keep that button pressed at least 20 seconds, even if the TV is unplugged. So go ahead and press on that button. What's happening now is that by doing this, you're draining all the remaining energy from the TV. The electricity will be completely gone from it. All right, after 20 seconds, you can release the button. And now it's time to plug back the TV, just like that. And power back on your Philips TV using the button under the TV. So just press on it once and it should boot up. And hopefully you won't have any issues with the Wi-Fi. Now, if this continues, what I suggest is that you go ahead and unplug your Wi-Fi router. Wait around a minute, 2 minutes, and then plug it back. Sometimes the problem is not your TV, but actually where the Wi-Fi is coming from, your Wi-Fi router. So try this as well. If you're still having issues, take your remote control, press the home button, and now you need to go down in these settings, select settings, go all the way down in the second menu until you select system. Finally, go again all the way down until you select, advanced system settings. And then you have network connection reset. You see, it's the second option. Select this and you're going to select reset connection. What does it mean? Well, it says over here, resetting your network connection will erase your wireless network settings, including all the saved networks. Your TV will automatically restart. So it will only factory reset the Wi-Fi. All the other stuff, your apps will stay there, your account will stay there. You don't have to worry about these. So let's do it. I'll press OK. Let the TV do its thing. Usually it takes a few seconds. It will power off, power on by itself. And after it comes back alive, we need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network again. So let's just wait a few more seconds here. Here we go. Take the remote control, press the home button. If you're not on the home screen, go down in this menu until you select settings. The first option should be network, so press OK on the remote. Select setup connection, wireless. It will scan for all the wireless networks around you. You need to select yours from the list. And now it's time to type the password of that network and then press connect. Wait a few seconds. It will try connecting to your Wi-Fi. And at the end, it will be connected. And this is quite important over here. Check the connection type. Okay, it's wireless, good. But under it, signal strength. Check if it's good. If you see that it's poor, well, it means that your Wi-Fi problem comes mostly because your Wi-Fi router is too far away from your TV. So the TV is not able to get a very strong signal, and this is why it disconnects often or it doesn't work at all. So try to bring your TV closer to your Wi-Fi router or the contrary. Overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like. Subscribe, but comment down below if what I showed you worked. I want to know. Or if you have any other tricks, leave a comment as well. And I'll see you in the next video.